it is a beautiful drone shot. The kind of video that you might see in a travel video, right? Except it's not real. There is no drone. There is no camera. You can't travel because the video was generated by AI. It's from a new tool just announced by OpenAI called Sora. All it takes is typing in a short text, a prompt, and in minutes it spits out a 60-second video clip of pretty much anything you can imagine.
The question is, how can we take advantage of it? And no better way to ask that question than to ask it from Google itself. 10 practical uses of Sora for lawyers. So it's broken down to client acquisition, automation, and marketing. So when it comes to client acquisition, this first one that I see for sure is video ads. Anybody who's in our growth track, video ads are important. It's going to completely disrupt that. It's just going to be about who can create the best AI video ad that will beat the non-AI video ads. So that will be huge, using Sora to be able to quickly make a lot of these videos to run as ads. I've actually, the last couple of months, have tried that out, Creatify and HeyGen and these other ones. I've tested hundreds of ads and a couple more were AI ads. Only one of them did well. So far, it's a little bit ahead of its time. And the AI tool wasn't that great. So maybe that's the reason why it didn't do well. But I could definitely imagine somebody who knows how to use AI to make videos will beat people that are not making videos with AI. So that's the first place where I see this disrupting. Number 2, explainer videos. Creating videos that explain complex legal concepts in simple, visually engaging ways. Estate planning lawyers, immigration, a lot of potential clients don't understand the system. You use Sora to be able to explain what you're going to be doing and what the benefits are. Not only can it be used for your websites and your funnels, but also for your social media. Also, this one was a AI answer. I'm like, client testimonials, and actually the rest of the description was actually pretty good. I'm like, hey, actually that makes sense. So obtaining client permission and turn the written testimonials into short videos with Sora. That's actually smart. Imagine taking all your Google reviews and you turn into a talking person. So I know video testimonials are not easy to get, but potentially be able to do that. Again, not going to the ethical considerations and things like that. All those kinds of stuff we got to sort out. As long as I guess there's disclaimer that is AI generated coming from an actual testimonial. But putting that aside, adding background music and visuals to illustrate the positive impact you've had on past clients, building trust and credibility. Wonderful. Case study videos with relevant client consent. Use Sora to highlight successful case outcomes in video format. These showcase your skills and track viewers for similar legal challenges. Great. Also, meet the team videos. Introduce potential clients to your lawyers and staff with short personalized videos. I would say, introduce potential clients to this humanizes your firm and establishes a connection between a potential client to contract you. Wonderful. What else? When it comes to automation, internal training videos, there are already tools. There's actually one specific tool, I forgot the name, maybe Mike knows, who already does this. So basically, if your SOPs are boring and long text, you can turn those into a talking spokesperson who basically can turn those into training videos and develop training materials for new hires or for updates on legal procedures with the firm. That makes turning written protocols into easy to follow videos easily. Amazing. Video FAQs, generate video addressing frequently asked questions, saving staff time answering common questions. That's a huge one. I definitely see this as being a big one. You take all your top 5 or top 10 objections, you create videos, and those videos are added to your email series. There's no better way one of the best ways to be able to, the stuff to add to your automated emails that get sent to potential clients is these objection videos. Also, for our trial lawyers, mock trial visuals during trial preparation, use Sora to create basic visuals, right? Trial prep, deposition preps, things like that, using animations or reenactments of events central to the case, especially if it's like a big important case. Get them prepared. You just imagine, to get them prepared, you'll be able to just put on the goggles and they'll be able to practice with your potential clients. I can definitely see that in the next 10 years happening. But this can help your team and the client visualize scenarios and refine arguments. Amazing. Other ways, personalized video messages, send potential clients short, personalized explainer videos like our Loom videos or video ask videos, but AI can make it personalized to ask specific questions submitted through your website or intake forms. This creates a stronger connection with this than a simple text response. Amazing. Obviously, social media content and legal trend videos, etc., etc. And some important considerations, obviously, client confidentiality, obtaining explicit client consent. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to come up with the clauses that we could add to our retainer agreement. And it'll be for educational purposes, but I'll try to have something. I'll try to share with you. You have to prepare us to put those into our retainer agreements. So that's that. Accuracy, maintaining strict accuracy in all legal videos, consulting with colleagues to make sure that the scripts are error-free, and make sure the quality is good. How to access Sora specifically? It's not public yet, Darren. So we have to. OpenAI just released it to like their own internal little beta testers, and who knows when it will be released. But I couldn't just imagine in the next couple of months, I'm assuming. So we shall see. Pretty cool. All right.